Hello there guys, my name is Spanners and I will be playing Fallout 4. This is a brand new channel. I have always wanted to do YouTube and stuff like that. I'm not here for the money and fame, it's just something I always wanted to do because I like the idea of just people watching playthroughs. I love watching playthroughs myself. You know, I follow a few YouTubers and stuff and it's just something I've wanted to start. So here we go, I've done the intro. But it's kind of boring. We're doing all the faces just pissing around and stuff like that. So this is as you're coming out of the vault first time. So hope you enjoy it and let's just see how it goes. The weapon crafting in this does look really fun. Looking forward to that definitely. So I've gone for a bit of a sneaky, smart sort of guy. I've mainly got intelligence. You know, there's nothing worse than finding a safe or terminal that you can't unlock or hack. So I'm making sure I've got there. I'll get them up to the max as well. So here we go.
Oh God.
Go home apparently. So this is what I look like. The blur will stop. Pretty beautiful. I haven't got the highest settings on just because my computer isn't the best and I haven't upgraded it in a few years, but it still runs it. This is me. That's pretty much all I can grow, so I've done it the same with the character as well. Let's just start, shall we? I've watched a few playthroughs just to get an idea what the game was like, because I've never really been a massive Fallout fan. I've just played the odd one. I played Fallout 3 for a little while, and Vegas for a little bit, but I never actually completed them, so when it comes to lore and stuff like that, I'm not so great on it. So if I find things that I'm just like, oh, what's that, that's cool, and you guys are like, oh my god, this is from Fallout 3, why are you missing? I'm sorry. So we'll see how it goes. So apparently I need to go, but I want to have a quick look around first. Guys, probably going to be thousands. I'm not really one to search around every single room there is because I just get too impatient and I'd rather be cracking on stuff. So okay. Oh. Now I'm not the best person at FPS on PC. I mainly play Xbox and stuff like that. So ooh, scary. Yeah, I play Xbox One, so I'm better at that when it comes to like FPS and stuff, but I play a bit of CS and things as well.
I only had a bobby pin.
A bobby pin. Under the desk next to it, that would be nice. Nope. I should try and hunt for some bobby pins to start with and come back to them. Where could they be? Let's go next door, try and find some. I can't actually remember which one is in my house. I'm sure I recognise it when I'm in there. Unlock that. Do that in just a minute. The pistol. But I'll scrap that. Medics. Really want a plastic plate. Okay. Ooh. Can I disarm this? Okay, brilliant. And now I still need some bobby pins. Right. Get the potential password with mouse 1. The choice password is incorrect. The number of letters that match the terminal's password. Both letters and position displayed on the screen. Yeah. Eat. There's a lot of E's. Let's try. Nothing. Unlikeness. Yeah, hate nope. So one likeness to that one, and yeah, so it could be the E. Where or E? Seam. Okay. After 10 seconds, okay, so we'll try again. Okay, so it changes each time. Clever. One likeness. Okay. One likeness.
I'm through.
Ah, okay. Pills. I'm guessing these are all people who used to live here. Here's relaxed. Baker. Wearing that job with a similar paternity. I guess he's. I'm trying to get this. I didn't expect Let's sure stuff. This. Really as it goes. Russell. Find out there. Money. I know they have a floor safe there. Seen it. Master bedroom under the dresser. I need even more bobby pins. More goodies. Okay. Okay, nothing there. Vampire. What do I care? That is money. Okay, so this is like a drug space or something. Right, bobby pins.
Out of bobby pins.
So, what needs advance? I don't think I can even unlock an advance.
Lock's really strong.
Advanced. Okay. That's what I need. I just need to level up these roaches.
As I live and breathe. Oh, it's really you.
Codsworth? You're still here. So other people could still be alive too.
Well, of course I'm still here. Surely you don't think a little radiation could deter the pride of General
Just run out of
Atomics
batteries. I guess he's got a core. It doesn't take much to run a
you
robot, does
seem
it?
the worse for wear. Best not let the wife see you in that state. Where is the missus, by the way?
Awkward. Dead. She's dead because we saw her die.
They killed her.
Sir, these things you're saying, these terrible things, I believe you need a distraction. Yes, a distraction to calm this dire mood. It's been ages since we've had a proper family activity. Checkers, or perhaps
What is in his
charades.
hand?
Sean does so love that game. Is the lad with you?
He's been kidnapped.
Sean's been kidnapped. But I'm going to find him. I'm going to get my son back.
It's worse than I thought. You're suffering from hunger-induced paranoia. Not eating properly for 200 years will do that, I'm afraid.
It's just been 200. Yeah, I'd be quite
A
concerned.
bit over 210, actually, sir. Or give or take a little.
Okay.
For the
Skip
Earth's
some dialogue
rotation
there.
and some minor dings to the old chronometer.
But there's a few bugs and stuff.
That means you're 2 centuries late for dinner. Perhaps I can whip you up a snack? You must be famished.
Information cabinet. Wait. Yellow easy. Oh,
Codsworth, you're acting a little bit weird. What's wrong?
Oh, sir, it's been just horrible. 2 centuries with no one to talk to, no one to serve. I spent the first 10 years trying to keep the floors waxed, but nothing gets out nuclear fallout from vinyl wood. Oh, nothing. And don't get me started about the futility of dusting a collapsed house. And the car! How do you polish rust?
Whoa. Focus, Codsworth.
calm the fuck down.
I'm afraid I don't know anything, sir. The bombs came and all of you left in such a hurry. I thought for certain you and your family were dead.
Well, they are.
I did find
often.
this holotape. I
Someone is
believed the
talking to you on
missus was
Skype.
going to present it to you
Good luck
as
about
a
that.
surprise. But then, well, everything happened.
Well, it's something.
Let it serve as a reminder, sir, of happier days.
Great, so we're going to listen to that and get depressed.
Enough feeling
Awesome.
sorry for myself. Shall we search the neighborhood together?
Data? Inventory.
Mrs. and young Sean, Major. Leaving.
There we go. Okay,
Oh,
just say it.
we won't go down too well.
There.
Because
Yay! Hi, honey. Listen, I don't think that Sean and I need to tell you how great of a father you are. But we're going to anyway. Isn't that right?
Yes.
You are kind and loving. And funny.
Dirty
That's
Chinese
right.
food.
And teach everything we do. So no matter how hard, we do patience is a saint, my mom used to say. Now, say goodbye, Sean. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Come on. Bye, honey. We love you.
Yeah, bye bye. Chemistry station? I have nothing to do with that, so. Right, so let's go back to that safe. There was a safe and then there was the other safe. It was in one of these house? This house, I believe. Okay. Not as fit as I thought it was. That's what the hell the two-door is. Right.
Got it.
Guns. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Oops. Right, and into the end house with the safe. There's probably nothing in. Everybody probably gets this safe, to be honest. I don't know why I'm getting so excited.
No way I could pick
Oh, yeah,
this.
to level up. Ah. So, just gonna kill some more rad roaches wherever they are. Well, don't like the look of that. Oh, we've got a new jumpsuit. Push and escape as well. I've just been spamming buttons now. Mash that off. Okay.
6.5 hours later.
Right. We'll have to just cut this out, I reckon. Third. Sneak. Oh, alt. Okay, that's melee. Right. Okay, looks like my flashlight's staying on until I turn it off. So this flashlight will probably stay on for the rest of the game, the rest of the chapter at this rate. Casual outfit now. No more bobby pins. Probably people screaming screens right now saying, "Oh no, you missed something. Go back!" Oh, my whole 10 views that I'm probably going to get on this video anyway. Ah, here we go. Oh, just want to push a Q. Out. Ah! Quite accurate right now. Take this guy. Not a very good chance. And accept. No problem. Beautiful. Bottle caps. Do you know why they're holding bottle caps? What the f... Oh, it's a clan. That's what the fuck. Ah. Oh. Okay, so we need to, well, I think we've got some rad away now, but I can deal with that much. Fine. A wild mob. Oh shit, there's 3 of them. Level 2, alright. There was 3. Okay. Let's back to the safe. Okay. Okay, so maybe next level. So we need to put more on that. Right, and my flashlight is still on.